Salutare prieteni, numele meu este Wolf și astăzi o să vă fac un review despre Star Wars Republic Commando. Alternativa poate să fie Ghost Recon Future Soldier. Jocul este destul de scurt. Tutorialul este pe planeta asta micuță, Camino. După aia mai aveți câteva misiuni pe Geonosis, o navă din asta abandonată și Kashyyyk, unde o să vă întâlniți cu Wookiee și o să vă băteți cu niște oameni jumate șopârlă, jumate om. E un joc care continuarea lui a fost amânată sau anulată, nu mai știu sigur, din cauza că n-a fost foarte popular. Și cam atâta despre el. Hai să începem. O să vă arăt și tutorialul de pe Camino. The beginning.
Welcome, little one. This is your first day. Your designation will be RP-01/138. We expect great things from you. You have been born into dangerous times. A sharp mind can be the key to survival.
Cred că ăsta a fost singurul tutorial care mi-a făcut.
But as often as not, it will be your inherent physical traits that win the day. And in this regard, you will be superior to your more common brethren.
Aici primim casca.
For you are a commando, an elite unit, something truly special. Your weapons, your armor, and most importantly, your brothers. The Eifer of our world hunt in pods to bring down much larger prey. So too shall you join your three brothers and become fierce hunters for the Republic. Now, join your pod and embrace your destiny as their leader. Join Delta Squad. Delta 4, your foundation, a pure and uncomplicated soldier. 6-2, the heart and soul of your team. And 07, the fiercest hunter of all your brothers. You are each a piece of a whole person, and the Republic will call you to defend and give your lives if need be.
Sergeant, get those troopers into the gunship. Ready for liftoff. New gunship. Okay, Group B, let's move it. Let's go. Push those cannons to the stern. Load the ammo and the ordnance. Let's go. Let's go.
Sir, we're gonna split up for the drop, but we'll meet you at the RV on Geonosis. See you planetside, sir.
Geonosian. Cred că o să-l mănânce sau ceva de genul. Vă las asta ca să înțelegeți și voi mai bine ce se întâmplă. Da, cei care știu engleză. Și începem.
Respond into signals, but it's temperature and armed transport.
your eye in the sky until further notice, or we all get killed. Once you are on the ground, you will rendezvous with Delta Squad. Delta 6-2 is nearby. Your first objective is to find him and link up. The squad objective remains. Find Sun Fac and eliminate him. I will be issuing further orders as you go. Good luck, Commando.
Da, va trebui să-l asasinăm pe gândacul șef. Și după aia vom merge...
Okay, we're above the ELZ. Okay. I will be providing you with support and tactical information as necessary. Tactical information will be displayed on your heads-up display as holographic projections. Text communications will be displayed in this area. Here are your orders. Your primary target is the Geonosian leader, Sun Fac. Delta Lead, it is absolutely vital that Sun Fac not escape. Delta Lead, are you alright? You just took an anti-infantry round. Your vitals don't look very good. Heal yourself with Vector before you go any further. There's a medical station in your vicinity. Lead, your vitals are scanning 100%. You are ready to proceed. New objective uploaded. Get over to the crashed gunship. Updating location to objective tracker. The objective tracker will point towards your next target. 3-8, secure the area in front of the crashed gunship. The charge is set and ready to detonate. All yours, boss.
some heavy artillery over here.
Gunship Hawken, en route. Press on, Commandos. I will continue to monitor your progress from the gunship.
Să nu credeți că jocul e ușor.
Remember, Delta Lead, your ultimate objective is Sunfac, but your immediate objective is to rendezvous with Delta 4-0.
Delta 4-0 o să-l găsiți omorând un gândac
Delta 4-0 is on the other side of this door. Place a charge and blow it. I'll warn him to step back. On the move, awaiting orders.
We could use a hole here, Delta.
One fireball special coming right up. Priming. Explosives. The charge is set and ready to detonate. It's all yours, boss.
Uploading and linking with your visor, sir.
Delta Lead, advise you task 4-0 with slicing that security shield. He is supremely qualified. Your squad status and location is displayed here.
Working. I've accessed the network.
Security
Let's
shield
go.
disabled, we're in.
Warriors.
Initiate vector procedures, Delta.
Got it, sir. Move, move, move!
You're nearing a secure door leading to the hangar. Activity in the hangar suggests that they are unaware of your presence. I advise slicing the controls to this door and entering quietly via a door slide sensor. Go!
Advisor, we've located a pair of Geonosian fighters in the hangar.
We don't want them to be used against us. Destroy them. Target uploaded to your objective tracker.
Commit demolition to take cover, Delta. It's getting a little dark here.
Delta Squad, switch to visor mode.
Nice shot. Takedown, sir.
Switching to night vision. Switch off that visor, Delta. It's plenty bright in here. Aye, sir.
I'd like some explosives here,
Use the
Delta.
demo charge to clear the path.
Powering up.
Priming. Explosives. Charge is hot, sir.
Get clear!
Delta Lead, you need to keep your squad focused and under your direction. Use your squad commanders to get results. We've intercepted communications from Sunfax planning.
Commando healed. Mark expired.
The opening at the end of this hall is directly above Sunfac's planning room. You can rappel down from the ledge.
Da? Acum o să-l vedeți și pe Siu.
Delta Lead, squad mate 07 is now in your vicinity and remaining coerced. Caution.
07 locking into your hut, sir.
Getting acquainted with the locals, eh, Sev?
That was fun.
Where's Sunfac?
In the next room, boss. Don't worry. I saved some targets for you guys. Moving to cover. Awaiting orders.
Sunfac's taking a run for the door. Stop him.
He's made it through.
Delta Lead, it is absolutely vital that Sunfac not escape.
Super battle droids.
Concentrate your squad's fighter on single targets to penetrate their armor.
Eliminate target.
Hit confirmed.
Step it up, 3-8. I'm reading a power transfer to Sunfac's fighter.
Roger.
Outside the shield.
Delta Lead, assign 07 to sniper position. We need a target on Sunfac. Sunfac is making a run for it.
In position.
Sunfac's fighter is warming up. Delta, what are you doing? He's taking off! Now you've lost!
All I smell is burnt Geonosian.
3-8, my scanners show an explosion.
That's affirmative. Subject terminated.
Moving to come, looking around. Get some back to
Crafted with Geonosian.
Confirmed. It's unidentified. I'll check the intelligence databanks. Move on, Deltas. There's no time to celebrate, Deltas. As you already know, 3-6's squad has been incapacitated. Their mission was to disable the droid factory in this sector. Your squad has been retasked for this purpose. Proceed to the elevator.
Go, go.
Au închisoare. Locul de fabricare al droizilor. E ușor să intri, greu să ieși.
Intelligence indicates that there are several factories buried deep underground, but they are impenetrable to our large assault forces. Heat signatures emanating from this spire tell us there is a factory below. Neutralizing one of these factories will tip the scales in our favor for the surface battle. Our scanners cannot pinpoint the factory's exact location because of a jamming device located near your current position. First, disable the jamming device. Once that is accomplished, I can guide you to your main target. Our communication will be sporadic. Inside, so you're on your own until that...
Same thing, sir.
Two battles, just warriors.
Good shot.
Just that.
Înțeleg cum a ajuns o coloană aici.
Subject terminated.
Sniper mode. Very accurate. Very deadly. Commence door breach.
Aye, sir. Breach charge set. Clear.
Grenade thrown.
Breach successful. Let's go.
That smell. They're harvesting fitna resin. Highly explosive in its raw form. Watch out for those pipes. Nice strike. Go.
I hear machinery below. Looks like we're on the right track.
That means we get to kill some more bugs, right?
Will you look at this place?
Multiple targets on the bridge.
Wait, looks like a good place for a little sniper action.
That doesn't sound good. Must be the battle upstairs.
Enemy down. Fresh apple.
This place gives me the creeps. What are these strange egg-like things?
Looks like we're in some sort of Geonosian birthing chamber, gentlemen.
What do you know? They are eggs.
Let's give them a wide berth just to be safe.
Just when you think they can't get any more disgusting. Got some Geos here. Geonosian kill. Nice one. On your 638.
There's the jamming device, but it's shielded. Controls to that shield must be nearby. The jamming device is interfering with my visuals.
Now I'm ready. I've spotted a control panel near the end of this room.
There's a computer console at the opposite end of this room. You must control the shield to the jamming device.